Namaskar students. Today we are going to start chapter 2 of computational skills, that is word processing tool. As we have already learned about word processors in class 9, a word processor is a package that processes textual matters and creates organized and flawless documents. It is software which provides a general set of tools for entering, editing, and formatting text. It permits operation to be performed more rapidly and more efficiently. For example, WordStar, MS Word, OpenOffice.org Writer, etc. Features of word processors. First is fast. Typing text in word processor is very speedy as compared to traditional keyboard. Editing and formatting feature, any type of correction, insertion, deletion, modification can be done easily through word processing tools. Apart from it, we can change the appearance of our text through formatting, and variety of formatting tools are available in word processor. Graphics. We can insert graphics or drawings in our document to enhance its usefulness and to make it attractive. OLE, object linking and embedding. Most of the word processor provides facility to link or embed object in a document. It is a program integration technology that we can use to share information between programs through object. An object can be any entity like chart, equation, video clips, etc. Spell check. Word processor are not only capable of checking spelling mistake, but they can also suggest the possible alternatives for incorrect spelled word, or it also provide possible alternates for grammatical error also. Mail merge. This facility enables to print a large number of letters or documents with more or less similar text. For example, if we want to send some invitation to number of people with different addresses and names, we can do through mail merge feature easily and quickly. Formatting refers to changing the appearance of text or document to make it attractive. It can be done by a number of ways. For example, making the text bold, italic, underline, applying colors, etc. Types of formatting. Formatting can be done by three ways: character, paragraph, and page. Character formatting decide how individual character in the document should appear. The character formatting is concerned about making decisions regarding font sizes, text attributes like bold, italic, underline, etc., text positioning, superscript, subscript, etc. Second is paragraph formatting. It involves text alignment, tab stop, paragraph indentation, line spacing, spacing between paragraph, borders, shading, etc. A paragraph in word processor is any text or items followed by paragraph mark, or you can say as you press enter key, then a line becomes a paragraph. So you may select 2 or 3 paragraphs to apply paragraph type of formatting. Third is page formatting. It making settings for page design and layout, that is about page size, orientation, margins, etc. Using paragraph, we can break continuous text to one or more sentences, and by this way it is lot easier for readers to understand and enjoy the content. One of the most important paragraph formatting feature is alignment. Alignment refers to the text layout within a paragraph with respect to document margin. Means how the text is written or how the paragraph is written in between the margin. Is it appearing to left side, or it is coming from right side, or in center, or in justify. Alignment can be of four types: left, right, center and justify. If you want to set alignment, you need to open a document in word processor. Then there is page layout tab on the ribbon. Click on the launcher icon of paragraph group as shown below. You will find paragraph dialog box will appear in front of you, and there is an option in indent and spacing tab alignment, and from here we can choose the alignment which we want. Moreover, we can apply paragraph spacing, line spacing features from the same dialog box. I hope you all have seen resume or curriculum vitae, in which text is starting from some position and then leaving some gap, and again text is starting from some position. We can set these all things through the tab positions. Tab button is available in format paragraph dialog box and in line and page break tab. As we click on tab button, tab dialog box appears. We can specify tab stop position by mentioning in the stopping position box. After specifying tab stop position, we need to click on set and a tab windows appear in front of you. We can also set the initial tab position in default tab stop. By default it is 0.5. We can increase or decrease it by writing unit also along with it. What kind of alignment we want to give, we can set it. Ladders also we can set. As we set the tab position, the ruler of the document will be marked a L-shaped symbol, meaning that the tab stop has been set on this position. So as we press the tab key, the cursor will automatically move from its initial position to the tab stop position. Managing header. Header is a repeated text or images which include at the top of the page. They usually contain important information just like company name, department name, or in books, chapter name, author name or book name, page numbers, etc. These are separated from actual work area. For inserting header in your document, you need to click on Insert tab, and in the Insert tab there is Header and Footer group. From this group we will be choosing Header option, and a list you can see the side by figures just appears, and we can insert the desired format header. Then if you want to insert page number, you have to click on set page number icon, and we can change the number format from format page number under the page number options. Footer are the text or images which are included at the bottom of page in the document. It may repeat to all the pages of document, or it may be different for all the pages also. Creating a footer procedure is similar to creating a header. For example, if we want to create a textbook, we can include the name of textbook using the headers and page number using the footer. So this makes the document look neat and organizing. To insert footer, we need to open a new document in a word processor or in already created document also you may change. Click on Insert tab. On the ribbon there is Header and Footer group. Choose Footer option. As you click on Footer, a drop down list will appear. You can choose any predefined footer option. Even you may try to insert of date, time, page numbers, pictures, clip arts in the footer area. Managing styles. Styles or style set are predefined or customized option created for creating good looking professional document with least efforts. We can generate custom style or the style set is there, we can apply to the document to giving it font style effects. Number of styles are available in word processor which can be applied. To view the list of styles, locate the style group under the home tab, and there is a list available. We can choose any style. If you want to change the style options, then you may click on style. You may click the drop down arrow of change style. There is style set, and we can choose the different style set, different font style for applying the style which we require. Thank you.